Hey, what's up guys? This is Terry with Moix RV, and guys, I've got a all new 2023 Winnebago Solis here behind me, and y'all have got to check out all the new features. We're backed up here to the beautiful Lake Conway. Y'all got to come on in. Over here in the cockpit, you've got an all new redesigned area. So you've got the wireless phone charger, big touchscreen with GPS navigation, full controls down below it. Over here on the steering wheel, you've got your adaptive cruise control, your Bluetooth monitoring, and you've got an all new digital display as well. The interior of this Solis is actually really spacious for only a 21-foot coach, with seating and sleeping for 4 people with the optional pop top. So the driver and the passenger seat both swivel around, give you a perfect entertainment space. You do have a 3 cubic foot refrigerator, a 2-burner stove top with an optional pull-out slide so that you get a little bit more prep space. And then this one does come equipped with the optional generator as well as the solar panels also. Here at the back of the Solis, you do have the full Nautilus water system for all of your water hookups. You've got 8 position tie downs. You do have the screen so that you can enjoy the lake view. And then you also have the Murphy bed that lays down as a bed or folds up so that you have all this accessible storage. You've got storage underneath the floor, built into each cabinet side. You've even got the optional desk as well, just in case you need to do some work while you're on the road. Guys, this 2023 Solis is loaded, ready to go, and ready for the next adventure. We've got them here in Conway. We've also got them in our Northwest Arkansas location, or y'all can check them out at moixrv.com.